Oh my God. Frank just left. I ended up having, this is the tube that goes inside all the stuff. It's still not 100%. I had to break that off to gooseneck this down in here. I had to take the frame or the fender. There's a fender support that goes over here. It took me 10-15 minutes by the time I wrenched this off with two 13mm wrenches. The nut was so hot on there it would burn your fingers to touch it. I couldn't get the tank back between the frame rails because it's got this aftermarket, it's not even hooked up, Reese hitch, and the nuts on the Reese hitch are these big square things, so they're turned sideways inside past the frame, the edge of the frame, so the tank won't fit up in there. So, oh my God, it took us like an hour and a half to do what I thought was going to take 10 minutes. But I just had it started, I just had it running. I got to put the tire holder back up onto the thing and tighten the 4 bolts down, but I think I can drive this tomorrow after another half hour of work. I thought it was a 10-minute job. We just spent 2 hours on it. Oh my God. And I'm so exhausted, I'm so weak, I'm still recovering. I got so much dirt in my face, and oh.